In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to add Google Slides to our content. Let's start by creating a new playlist. Let's call this Google Slides. Let's open the playlist. Let's go to Google Slides. In this example, we've already created a Google Slides presentation, so all we really need is the public link for this presentation. Go to File, Share, and click Publish to Web. In this next pop-up, we can set a duration per slide. And in my example, I am turning on Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, and Restart the slideshow after the last slide. Click Publish, and then OK. Now we have the public URL. Let's copy this. And back at the editor, we'll find the website plugin at the top. Let's maximize the plugin. Then paste the public URL from Google Slides. In this example, we're also going to turn on Force Cache Bursting and refresh periodically. When working with Google Slides, we really have two options. We can either choose to only run Google Slides on our screens, or we can choose to both use Google Slides and some of the features in Play's editor. In this example, we're going to run only Google Slides. Let's go to Slide Settings and turn on Play this slide forever. Doing this, we're ensuring that the slide duration doesn't interrupt the Google Slides. Let's click Save, and let's publish the content and check how this turned out on our screens. One of the cool things when working with any of Google's cloud-based applications is that every time we make a change in Google's cloud, the changes are automatically updated on all our screens. So let's go back to Google Slides, and let's add a logo in the lower right corner of our slides. Remember we turned on Refresh periodically? Having done that, the website plugin will check for updates every 60 seconds. Thanks for watching.